Hello, my good people. This is Fredrick Ndungu, vlogging from Spahio Estate, Juja, Kenya. Good morning, good evening, good night, good afternoon. Whatever time zone you are in, here in Kenya is early morning. It's about 8 o'clock, and you can see sky is cast with heavy clouds. This is being the month of June. Sure, it's chilly, but it's not yet chilly, and we hope we can get showers because produce in the farm need rain, but that is God's way of doing his things. He cannot forget us or forsake us. He'll come at the right time. Thank you for your following, liking, sharing, commenting, and subscription. We are doing fine. We are doing fine. No complaint whatsoever. But I say thank you for your fellowship. Your subscription is increasing, viewership is increasing, and I know you take me to place. I know you'll also make me one of those happy YouTubers because our relationship is mutual. A mutual relationship, symbiotic relationship that I make content and you see the content. So each one of us in this circle are very important. And thank you so much for what you are doing. You see behind me here is this mega construction that is coming here, multi-million construction residential house. And why I have this interest of covering this house is because it is on cotton soil. And cotton soil are usually not the best when it comes to construction, because you dig deeper into a pocket to stabilize the foundation. But all the same, you bought the property, it's only property remaining. As you can see around, almost every other neighbor has constructed. They have constructed their bait. So your bait is this one, so you have to construct it on it, my good people. And you can see even the neighbors here, they have also constructed. And if I turn around again, the neighbors have constructed. They have constructed. So he has his space, and even this space nowadays costs much more than maybe he purchased it. If he's the first owner, it was about 350,000 Kenya shillings, but now it has gone much more higher than that. It is almost, it is 10 times or 15 times more, that one. Because as I told you in the other videos, you are keen and you watch my videos, and every time appreciates. And I tell you the truth because I'm on the ground. I don't lie. I'm born again Christian. I will not exaggerate. And even if you want property from here, I will give you the owner of the property so that you pay. And I will have done the due diligence to know that it's genuine property, because I know where to check. So never fear purchasing property in Kenya, wherever you are. With me, you are guaranteed you get worthy, even more worthy than your money, because I get you the best. I will take you to get the best at the best price. Like I have got property being sold here, and I know the owner, and whatever you want, you get it. I connect you to the owner. You do the search, you get whatever you want. And with me, you don't have to waste so much money with lawyers, with whatnot. I just make sure you go direct to the board, land board, and you get your things done. You pay, and you get your title there and then, and that's your land from now to until Jesus come back again. Thank you, my good friends, wherever you are. I love you, and I love you. I love you big. So let me take you around and see what's happening here at the Spahio Estate, just within my neighborhood, just 2 plots from my neighbor, my house. This is where I am. My people, you can see the foundation. There is water. Rain stopped somewhere in April, but still this place is waterlogged, and it must be stabilized. You can see the type of soil. If you check in other videos, There is red soil there, but that is cotton soil. Very difficult soil. And you can see it harbors water under it. And I don't know whether he has gone to the level that he will need, but the trenches are even deeper, and much more work is done by people here to excavate and get the trenches to start the foundation. And you can see this soil, and all the soil will be removed. None of it should remain here, so the cost of building here is higher. But after it's completed, you can see the kind of houses. The neighbors are happy. They had even harder work than he has, because the farther you go that way, the more difficult it is with the soil. Cotton soil, it's become deeper and deeper. Some people goes to 15 feet, and this one I can see he has gone to about 3 feet, and he got to the moram, the hard soil and the better soil to manage. And you can see it's a huge construction. By all standard, my good people, you see it, you see how far it is. And this plot seems to be bigger than the others. Hey, seems to be huge. Is this 40 by 8? It looks bigger, according to me. It looks bigger. But all the same, we shall see when the foundation is up, and that will give us the real picture of this plot. My good people, and you can see it's very early in the morning. The workers are there waiting to start the work. As you know here, they start at 8, but a few minutes to 8 o'clock. The neighborhood is good and people are working. They're still constructing. Everywhere there's construction going on. And this one has started, and I'm very happy that I came to see it through a friend. Otherwise, it could have passed me, because this house is in front of my house. I was making it obscure, and I could not have seen it, because you cannot see it from the road unless you come inside. So my good people, I want to show you, but I fear this soil. This soil is a bit sticky, but I'll make sure I got somewhere where I can enter and give you a new picture of this place and how it will be. You can see the trenches. They are full of water. The water is increasing. Seem to be and you cannot imagine. There is no rain from April, but still there is water here. It is God of wonders. No wonder when people plant in cotton soil, they yield does well, especially when there is not much rainfall. Because red soil will require a lot of rainfall, but this one, short rainfall, you have enough. And you can see the heaps and heaps of this soil that will be removed, must be taken away, otherwise you cannot construct on it. And so we can see here is a much better day. I can see there is no this one, I don't know what is this. This pit, will it be a stairs or what? Because the trench is not as deep, but the deeper one, as you can see here, is full of water. This one is not yet deep, and you can see down there they have got a better soil profile. That is that is moram and hard moram. And when you get to the hard moram, you are sure your house will be very stable. They are strong, and they are able to hold the weight of the house. And the soil profile here seems not to be that cottony as it was there. And here I can see even the wall one was not very deep there, and there's no water. And as you come here, this one looks to be a better soil profile. And here we can also see a better soil profile and less water. But here they had a big, I don't know why that stretch was so wide and deeper than this one. Or this one is because the moram is up. Moram was up this section, and there was no need to go that deep. And you can see as we continue this way, water is less. But at the other end, I think there's much more water. So let's go around and see what's going on here. but this soil has changed and it is certainly better off than the first part we saw. Okay. And there is water here. This is water. This is water. Oh, it is water piping. Water pipe here. Water pipe here. You can see. I think there was a problem with the water here. This is the water pipe here, passed near the house, and it is leaking. I don't know how they are going to control it. And here, that is the trenches. Trenches are deep, still deep, until they get into the soil. This type of soil, which is better. It is next to moram, and when you have moram, you are sure your foundation will be very firm. But all this soil must be removed. And I don't know whether after maybe they have dealt with the foundation, then they will remove it, because now they cannot remove it, because it will stick back. It will go back to trench. So they must wait until they have constructed maybe the foundation, and then from there they will be able to remove this soil, unwanted soil around this construction site. So see other workers waiting. Either maybe they're waiting to come and be given work, or they are waiting for something to come. My good people are seeing the trenches are here, and a heap of cotton soil, water, and that one there. You can see what it is. A lot of soil, which will add to cost of building or constructing this house. My good people.
Naye maneno mpaka kwa police station wanatuambia angalia tu endeni huko watu waonekane. Sasa tukipata mtu mwizi huku ni kuua.
Sasa hakuna
kuchoma tu na tile kabisa.
Hapana, si atuui, tunapeleka kwa polisi.
Kwa polisi.
Usimwage damu ya mtu.
Usimwage damu.
Usimwage damu. Inaweza kuwa hata mwizi ametoroka, ameenda ameacha huyo mtu innocent. Na mnachoma.
Mnachoma mtu mwenye yako
kweli. Sio mzuri kumwaga damu ya binadamu. My friends, you can see the trenches. I'm waiting to see what this kind of house will be, because it is too long. It is too long. 8 feet. So, and all this, that soil that is scooped out.
Kuja Musa, wewe kuja tu pitia hata soka yako hata kinesi yako.
So, my good people, this is what is here at this site, and these are working tools, the wheelbarrows that will carry this one there. So you see the work that is here, and giving people something to eat, because in super highway estates we create employment for thousands and thousands of young people. And you can see them there. Most of them are not even Kenyans, but Kenya is a country for everyone. Our neighbors in East Africa are here. From this DRC, Congo, Rwanda, Burundi, Tanzania, Uganda, they are here. Even Somalis, they are here. Sudanese are here. It's a place endowed with peace, and we love everybody. Yes, my good people, you can see now coming from another angle. This is the trench, and this water seems to be at this side. There's much more water on this side than the far end, and I don't know why this is so. Again, all this cotton soil we are seeing here, the whole of that place, all of that is cotton soil. I don't know whether he'll scoop it out or what will go, because most people here scoop it, but this time I don't know what will happen. I am eager to know, and I want to know when the food come, the foreman, he tells me so. All this must be removed, and I don't know whether they scoop the one there or what will happen. You can see all this work. It's huge work here which will be done. This will be several lorries. This will be several lorries, my good people, and this is part of construction cost. And that's why sometimes you hear the house is being sold differently, different places. It is because of work done. You see, once this house now is complete, the buyer will not, if this house is to be sold, he may not see the work, the labor which was done to come to build this house. But you can see all this is wasted soil, must be taken away. And again, you must scoop more and more. So the houses, even if you are going to compare prices of houses, you must also take into picture or understand the soil profile is different. And that's why your house could be cheaper, money could be expensive. My good people. Because questions I get asking, saying that the houses are expensive, here they're expensive, or some people are selling them cheaper. Yeah, it depends on the work done to have that house constructed. My good people. So let's see what the foreman will tell us. Now the foreman has come, and now he's talking to the people who will be working here, and he selected the people he want to hire. My good people, and I'll keep on showing you more as we continue. My good people, we are now seeing a reverse of what I covered last year. House under construction, where they had the red soil. Here they have got cotton soil. There is all of it. This must be taken away, and if they have to have any backfilling, they have to source soil elsewhere or any other material which will compensate for the place where they are going to remove, because they will, after taking all this was from the trenches. But again, or every room again must be at least remove the topsoil, a bit a foot or so. So there they will add materials to compensate for what they have removed. So my good people, you can see the work that's going. Each person is doing it on a particular portion until the whole of the soil will be out here. And now this soil will be taken away by trucks and disposed elsewhere. My good people, this is what's happening. My people. This is a new construction site here at the Highway Estate, Kenyatta Road, Juja, Kenya. My good people, it's the work of removing all that soil outside the plots and be disposed of. So we shall see what again will come to backfill the place where they will have removed the top part of the rooms that are inside there. And as usual here, people are feeding before they start the work, because the work is a bit demanding. They have all the energy exhausted here by this work. Still removing the soil from the places where the houses will be constructed, and you can see how busy it is. People are here doing that work. My good people, this is Super Highway Estate, Kenyatta Road, Kenya. Kenya is developing one step at a time, and we saw sooner than later, with the peace we enjoy in Kenya, we will be a first world country. And we could be so in East Africa. My good people, this is what it is. But we also give a lot of employment to people, And you can see there is vending of tea and mandazis here. My good people, everybody is getting a piece of development of Kenya here at Kenyatta Road Superhighway Estate. My good people, you see the beautiful and beauty of our estate, Superhighway Estate, Kenyatta Road, Kenya. That's what it is. The real work on the ground this particular morning. Still scooping, taking it from a different angle. The work going here, preparing for a multi-million residential building. Happening live here at Superhighway Estate, Juja, Kenya, East Africa. We can even see the site store here, and the water has already been reserved here. They dug a pit here, and the pit is full of water, so it will be very easy now to construct because water is on site. My good people, this is a preparation that if you do them in advance, they will assist in building because you need a lot of water while constructing. My good people, so you are the neighbors, immediate neighbors of this building that is ongoing now. There's a deal here. That is the work going on here, my good people, and removing the topsoil, removing the soil that was taken from the trenches. My good people, as you can see here at Superhighway Estate, Kenyatta Road, Kenya. Dealing with the black cotton soil, it's not easy and it is expensive, my good people. Thank you. Continue seeing what is going on this site, my good people. My good people, you can see what is going on here on this site. My dear and wonderful friends and followers. My good people, it's time now they want to make sure the measurements are as per the design and per the what architect has envisaged, and from there they are going to put the columns, measure where columns will be, my good people. They are measuring, so you can see, my good people. Measuring is going on now,
28.
so that they can position the columns. Continues.
14.
For the measurements.
Hapa maji ni mingi. Nilikuwa nauliza. Kuli mapoti. Hata hiyo.
The architect is there recording all what is now on the ground, and then making sure it is as per the drawing. Then the position
20.
the measurement
Hapa kuna 7
required.
na kuna kitu kingine hapa na 2 9. Sasa hii ndio mnasema haijapimwa mpaka hapa. 14 imepimwa hapo. Hapo.
You confirm the positioning
Ndio hii 16.
and the area as required. You can see how they are doing it expertly. They make sure nothing which comes to the trenches, and they are able to throw it across the trench to the area where it's supposed to be. Thank you, my people. We end up today's video here. We wait for the next step, and as this one is to be concluded, the next video will show what happened next. Thank you for following me. Thank you for believing in me. Thank you. Whatever time zone you are in, this is Fredrick Ndungu from Superhighway Estate, where I'm from, Juja, Kenya. Thank you for your liking, sharing, commenting, and subscription. Till we meet in the next video, I say ciao, bye bye, and God bless you and bless you mightily.